Hey folks, welcome back to Muscle Cars of Texas. Today is a very special day for us here at Muscle Cars. We've got the NCRS here, National Corvette Restorers Society. They are here judging Corvettes, naturally, to see how original they are from the factory. So, without further ado, let's go see what's going on, but we gotta be very quiet. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of guys around this car, and they're judging the interiors, the exteriors, the engine compartments, the chassis, even the spare tire. And they are judging this for originality as if this car came out of the factory. So tell me that's not cool. But we have several other cars here to look at, so let's roll that montage. Come on, folks, wasn't that cool? I've even got my favorite cigar with me and my favorite cars. But this is what we do at the shop, right? We make these cars look original, be original, so they can get through this judging process, really be worth something. So folks, you can see that we're in the midst of all of this stuff going on. My cigar, even my socks, of which my kids really make fun of me, but that's okay. So if you got something like this, if you want something like this, if you need something like this, you know where to bring it. Right here at Muscle Cars of Texas.